Hey everybody, my name's Tony Finn and I'm with Unit Surf Pools. We are a super great, rad new company. In the US, it's just me and Jessica O'Leary who does sales, marketing, all kinds of stuff. And then in Europe, we have a super duper mad scientist, German engineer who's the smartest dude ever who founded Unit and invented this beautiful wave. What's so great about Unit is that it's the only floating surf pool. It's the world's first floating surf pool. So let's say you have a lake or a pond or a pool that's big enough. All we do is we drop this beautiful unit into your lake, boom, we put it down and then we plug it in and 2 weeks it works and you have insane, beautiful, super fun waves. Unit is a large, deep water standing wave that allows you to surf any surfboard you want with any fins you want. And it's adjustable from 1 foot to 6 foot, depending on what you want to do. So for beginners, it's 1 foot, super fun, super easy to learn how to surf. But if you want to do some hardcore turns and shove it and all kinds of crazy tricks, which you can do on a Unit wave, it goes all the way up to 6 feet. The Unit wave is inspired by the naturally occurring hydraulic jump phenomenon, say that 3 times fast, that occurs all over the world. For example, Waimea. When it rains, it creates a naturally occurring hydraulic jump that goes down to the ocean. JOB and tons of pro surfers and all the kids that live around there flock down there and get to ride that standing wave. Why? Because it's super duper fun. Jerry Lopez rides the one in Bend, Oregon all the time. And tons of people go to the most famous one, the Eisbach in Munich, Germany. And that is what inspired our founder, Hannes, to create the Unit wave. The most important thing you could remember out of this entire conference is what I'm about to tell you. You are going to get the most return on investment, the best ROI from a Unit wave out of all the other products that you see here today. And why is that? I'm about to tell you. Number 1, it's a fast 2-week installation. Number 2, there's no construction cost. You just drop it into an existing body of water. Number 3, there's 0 water consumption. Also, it's super fun for beginners, intermediates, pros, and expert surfers. All surfers like it. It's super easy to teach people. You literally hold their hands and watch them surf. We have a 99% success rate of people actually learning how to surf. And it's the most energy efficient wave on the market. So, get your maximum ROI for your park, you should definitely consider a Unit wave. Right now, there's 2 Unit waves in existence, and they're both totally cranking with thousands of stoked customers. One of them is in Langenfeld, Germany, and the other one is in Milan, Italy. We have orders for a lot of other ones, but because of COVID, none of the other ones are installed yet. But these 2 are going off. All the customers are super stoked. We've also figured out how to really do the beginner sessions in a way that is creating a lot of revenue and an amazing amount of repeat customers. And the guy who thought of this plan, his name is Ludo, and he's our Italian customer from Milan. So let's give it up for Ludo right now, and we're gonna throw to Ludo and see how he's doing over in Italy. you are currently developing a surf park, you should definitely include a unit wave in your plans. You can have your big wave, which will be totally awesome. There's great technologies out there. And you also need your unit wave because it's going to provide you with two opportunities for F&B. You can have your F&B by your big wave and your F&B by your unit wave. You can have more pros and advanced surfers on your big wave, but on your unit wave, on your standing wave, you can have a lot of beginners. You can really engage the community and get a lot of people to learn how to surf. You will build your customer base and you will enhance the lifetime opportunity of those customers, the lifetime value of each of those people that come to your park. They'll start on the unit, they'll get good, they'll start ripping, they'll fall in love with surfing like all of us already have, and they'll be a really, really great customer of yours. So definitely include a unit in your plans. Your surf park is going to be like a fabulous ski resort, like Mammoth or Aspen. And you're going to have a beautiful wave, just like Mammoth has a beautiful mountain. But you also need a half pipe, and unit is your half pipe. So you're going to have your big wave, your all mountain experience, and then you're going to have your half pipe. And that's going to be the unit wave. And pros will like to come just like they like to go to a half pipe and try 900s, and that's the same on a unit wave. But it's also really, really good for beginners. So think about your surf park in that way, and that's how you'll be able to maximize the stoke factor of your customers and also your profit. The unit surf pool is definitely the most energy efficient and sustainable option out there. Why? Because of the hydraulic jump phenomenon. The way we power our wave uses way less energy than all of the other systems out there. And number two, the aeration. When all the water comes off the pool, at the back of the pool, the aeration is a lot and it cleans up any body of water. So you add those two things up and what you have is a super sustainable, fun option when you get a unit wave. One other thing you should remember about unit is that we're super stoked on life, we're stoked on surfing, and we want to help you create bitchin' waves and bitchin' experiences for all your customers. So we're available for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call us whenever you want to. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you my business partner Jessica's cell phone number right now. She's expecting you to call. Hey, Jessica, how are you? I'm not really going to give her cell phone, but I'm going to tell you how to contact us, and you'll be able to talk to Jessica.
Absolutely, guys. We want to be here for you every step of the way. Any questions you have, we'll be here for you.
One thing, don't forget, when you build your wave, you got to let me and Jessica surf there for free as much as we want. That's one of the conditions on the sales agreement. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.